YouTube, man. I know it's been a minute. It's actually been maybe like 2-3 months now since I last uploaded anything on the channel. It's been a long time since I picked up the camera. Hasn't been too much time since I got back to driving, but I know I've been gone for a while. I've seen some comments on some videos, you know, during that time, so I appreciate, you know, the people still, you know, watching the channel, or still, you know, the new viewers and whatnot. But if you guys don't know or don't recall, I did get married in the end of September. So after my wedding, I had about a week and a half or so to, you know, wrap up what I could at work, and then I went to my honeymoon, which is like 3 weeks. I did 3 weeks in Asia. So that took a while. That was a blast. It was fun, but definitely was a long time, the longest trip I've ever done away. But it was a good time. And then after that, you know, getting back into work and trying to catch up and stuff just took it was just too long. It's just so much stuff to do and so much things to do, so much things to catch up on, emails to catch back. Haven't really been, you know, thinking about the channel much, but now I'm, you know, getting back to thinking about the channel, especially now since it's getting colder out, it's fall. Definitely could get on the car a lot better, you know, since it's a lot cooler out. But yeah, I've just been looking at Reddit and forums recently about tires, you know, what tires people like to run on these, and I was kind of in between putting full blown on snow tires, or whether I should get you know, just some all seasons, you know, some all weather tires, you know, only because, you know, my WRX, I don't know if you guys recall, I did have snow tires on there, but it hasn't really been snowing, you know, in this part of Massachusetts too much. You know, I live in the South Shore, and I don't know, the past 2 years we haven't really got a snowstorm, which is, to my opinion, which was worth snow tires. So I figured if I was to get some all seasons to put on the stock wheels, then I could just keep the stock wheels with these all season. These would be like my winter tires, and then come spring, summertime, you know, I could look into getting some summer, you know, like a summer pair of rims to run, and put some, you know, good performance tires back on those. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys are running, what tires you guys got set up. I don't know the name. I do recall seeing something about CC2, something like that, Continental something, for all seasons, which kind of seems pretty good. I definitely don't want a cheap tire, since it's going to be, you know, primarily, you know, for the winter and, you know, these rainy months and whatnot. So I definitely don't want something cheap. But I'm not looking to get, you know, I'm not looking to break the bank either, since they will be being swapped out. But, you know, I have learned my lesson that you pay for what you get, especially with tires. So definitely want a solid pair. Yeah, man, I'm excited to, you know, get back in it though, and record some more POVs. It has been a minute. So yeah, let's do a little something. some Reddit posts and some forums. You know, people have been saying something about CC2, something like that. Let me know what you guys, if you guys know the name of that. But only reason why I'm not going full on winter tires is because I did for my WRX, and I didn't feel like I got the value out of it or it was needed. So I don't feel like I would want to go full snow tires this year, especially since they won't perform as well as they all season when it's not, I guess, winter conditions out. So I'm leaning towards the all seasons and just getting another set of tires for work. For the summertime when it comes to the STI. So let me know what you guys think. Stay tuned, look out for these videos, man. We definitely gonna be, you know, dropping some more videos. The POVs is back. I'm back. I'm happy to be back, and I'm happy to have this Tomei too, man. I've been making a lot of noise in people's neighborhoods this past week or so, I've been burning a lot of gas. Let's just say that. I think I got a pretty good fitment as well with the Tomei. And I was doing it at night. You know, with daylight savings, I ran out of daylight. So I ended up finishing it around 5:30. So I was using a flashlight and my phone light, able to finish it. I got a pretty good fitment. I think actually pretty perfect fitment. So I'm excited about that, happy about that. I think at this point, I just want to get some aero in the tires, like I said. But now I am planning, I guess, my engine mods. Definitely want to start with an AOS and cylinder 4 cooling mod. But I'm also kind of thinking that I want to lean towards just stacking up all my mods, saving my coins, and then have a shop do them all, because I don't think I'm going to do any of the engine mods besides like an intake, which is kind of pointless for me to do if I'm still going to need to get it tuned. So I think I want to stack up all the mods, have a shop put it on, and, you know, get it pro tuned at the same time. Thankfully, I am in, you know, Massachusetts, so, you know, being in the Northeast, there's a couple, I know, good tuners around. That's not too far. So it's definitely pro tunable based on my location. Not sure who I want to get pro tuned by either, but you know, I'm sure if I'm getting it pro tuned by, you know, reputable shop, I'll be all right, you know, since, you know, everybody has their own experiences with all the different pro tuners. But I think the pro tune's the best and safest bet to do. So no matter who I go with, I think I'll be all right since it's being pro tuned. Man, I always thought, you know, people were just exaggerating when they're like, oh, it wakes the car up. Nah, it wakes the car up. Oh, so it's totally different sounding beast. You can hear the idle. Even when I shift, you know, it has a little burble, like pop type of thing. It's not popping or nothing, but it does something when you downshift, which sounds really nice. Love downshifting now. And And I've always said too, when you can hear the car, I feel like you can shift better and downshift better. And, you know, I think I definitely can since I can hear it more now. And there is a little bit of drone. I know some people were saying there's not too much drone. There's a little bit of drone, but it's not anything crazy where I feel like, you know, we can't hear, we can't talk. So me and my wife still have conversations and we can still hear each other. So it goes to show you that it's not too drony. But yeah, we here. Here's my wife. I'm gonna end this video off here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. POVs are coming. I'm gonna try to be more consistent with the videos, like once a week. So yeah, like she didn't even noticed. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe. Peace.